If you want to change the volume of the alarm on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have two main ways to do so. The first way is by going to settings. In the settings we can go to sounds and vibration, then we can choose volume, and over here we have the slider for the alarm, and we can move the slider to the left or to the right in order to adjust the volume of alarms. The second method that allows us to change the volume is by going to clock. Once we are in the clock, we can tap on these three dots that can be over here on the right side or in the top right side, and then let's go to settings. Here we can choose volume, and we can also find the slider over here, and besides that we can choose to set different volume for each alarm or use the same volume for all alarms. So if you choose to use the same volume for all alarms, you have just this slider over here or that one in the settings that I had shown you just before. But if you choose to set different volume for each alarm, then you can adjust the volume by tapping on the alarm, and then if you go to alarm sound, over here at the bottom you have the slider. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!